Hello, my name is Tom Wallace, and I'm the managing partner here at Florida Funders. Welcome to our Florida Funders update. I wanted to spend some time telling you a little bit about the progress we've been making at Florida Funders and what we've been working hard at. We have what we think is a pretty unique business model in that we're a combination of a venture capital fund plus a curated crowd of angel investors, geo-targeted on Florida. We like to say we're on a mission at Florida Funders to change Florida from Sunshine State to Startup State, to change Florida from a state where our best and brightest entrepreneurs are leaving to go to Austin and Boston and Silicon Valley to start their companies, to one where they're staying here to start their companies. We're on a mission to have great tech companies here that provide outstanding career opportunities for our young people, to keep them here. And then we like to say we're on a mission to change Florida into a state known for technology and innovation instead of being known for tourism and oranges. A little bit about the history of Florida Funders. We got started in 2015 when Mark Blumenthal and I invested in Florida Funders. And the first thing we did was set out to build a great team. So we have a deal team. This is headed by Ryan Whittemore, who's our chief investment officer. Ryan and his team are constantly scouring the state, looking for the best founders and the most exciting companies, up-and-coming companies that we might invest in. And then we have an investor team, and that's headed up by Mark Blumenthal and Saxon Baum. And that's the team that supports our investors, that's constantly trying to service them, help them understand what companies we put up for investment, why, and support them in any way that they need. The third thing we did was we made a big investment in our software platform. So we have what we think is a very unique and robust software offering, from our portal to our dashboard, that provides everything an investor would ever need in terms of due diligence, videos from the founders, as well as a dashboard that they can look at their portfolio. And it also provides a way for founders to go on and get into our process and apply for funding at Florida Funders. In 2017, we raised our very first fund, our Impact Fund 1. So we raised $18 million. And we've been busy deploying that money ever since and investing in companies. We've made 34 investments to date in companies. We're very excited about many of the companies we invested in from our Fund 1. Our model's simple. A third of the companies we invest in, we know we're not going to make any money on them, and they're not going to be successful. The second third, we're going to get our money back, maybe a little return or no return, and then we're going to make all our returns on the top third of our investments. So that's kind of the nature of early stage tech investing. Again, we made 34 investments in companies in Fund 1, with another 16 follow-ons where we invested 16 times back into those companies. We have 5 companies who have gone on to raise Series A rounds of 5 to 10 million from institutional investors at substantially higher valuations. We have 3 of the companies from our Fund 1 that have achieved over 10 million in annual recurring revenue, which, if you think about that, is very exciting. Thank you for your support of Florida Funders. I want to assure you that we will continue to work very hard to find, fund, and build the next generation of tech companies here in Florida.